If you're trying to choose between AnyDesk, TeamViewer, and Chrome Remote Desktop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down the differences in a simple way so you can figure out which remote access tool is actually best for your needs. Whether you're helping clients, managing a business, or just need a free way to get into your home computer, this comparison will make the decision a lot easier. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more practical software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's start with TeamViewer. TeamViewer is usually the most feature-rich option out of the three. It's built for people who need a professional remote access solution, especially businesses, IT teams, and support technicians. One of its biggest strengths is how many advanced tools it includes. You get things like file transfer, remote printing, unattended access, session recording, and strong security features designed for larger teams and organizations. That makes TeamViewer a very powerful choice, especially if you're supporting multiple users or need extra control over remote sessions. The trade-off, though, is pricing. TeamViewer can get expensive if you're using it commercially, so while it's one of the most capable tools, it's not always the cheapest. Now let's move on to AnyDesk. AnyDesk is known for speed and simplicity. If you want something lightweight that feels fast and responsive, AnyDesk is a great option. It works very well even on slower internet connections, which is a huge advantage if you're often connecting to devices remotely from different locations. AnyDesk also offers helpful features like file transfer, remote printing, and unattended access, so it's still powerful enough for real work. The big difference is that it usually feels more streamlined and more affordable than TeamViewer. That's why a lot of freelancers, small businesses, and everyday users prefer it. It gives you a clean, remote desktop experience without making everything feel overly complicated. Next, let's look at Chrome Remote Desktop. Chrome Remote Desktop is Google's free remote access tool, and it's probably the easiest one to set up for basic use. Since it works through your browser, there's very little friction involved. For many people, that's the biggest advantage. You don't need a complicated setup, and you can get started quickly if you just need occasional access to another computer. The downside is that it doesn't include many of the advanced features you get with TeamViewer or even AnyDesk. Things like chat, session recording, and more detailed admin controls are limited or missing. But if your goal is simple personal remote access and you want a completely free solution, Chrome Remote Desktop is a solid choice. So which one should you actually choose? Choose TeamViewer if you need professional IT support features, advanced security, and enterprise management tools. Choose AnyDesk if you want fast performance, better value, and a simple remote desktop experience. Choose Chrome Remote Desktop if you want a free solution for occasional personal use and easy browser-based access. Here's the easiest way to think about it. TeamViewer is best for businesses and serious support workflows. AnyDesk is best for speed, value, and everyday remote access. Chrome Remote Desktop is best for simplicity when you just need something free and reliable. So if you're comparing them for work, TeamViewer is the strongest all-around business tool. If you're comparing them for performance and affordability, AnyDesk is often the sweet spot. And if you just want a no-cost option for basic access, Chrome Remote Desktop is hard to beat. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech breakdowns, software tutorials, and practical app comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.